What's up guys, DK Brown back again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the hub, in this case a right hand or a passenger side hub on a 2008 Trailblazer, but this can be used anywhere from a 2002 to a 2009. First thing you're going to need to do is take off the tire, then you'll take out the hub nut, and then you will be taking off the caliper. Caliper has two bolts on the back. Both are 18mm bolt. Once you release that, move the caliper out of the way, put it to the side, and take the rotor off. Now once I took off this rotor, you need to take a hammer and just lightly tap the half shaft to pop it in a little bit. That will break it free from the bearing or the hub, whatever you want to call it. Now take your socket wrench and loosen the 3 bolts to the hub on the back. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to turn the wheel slightly to one side to give you a little bit of room or access to the wheel. Once you have the 3 bolts out, go ahead and take a hammer and tap the end of the half shaft to free up the hub and the splash shield. Take the splash shield off the hub, get rid of the old hub, wire and all, then take a wire brush and some sandpaper and clean the opening to the knuckle. This is just a little bit of preventative maintenance. Clean it up. It's always a good idea to clean up your work surface before you go and put parts back together. After you've went ahead and cleaned the surface off, take your new hub out of the packaging, start feeding that wire through the splash shield. After you've put the splash shield on, line the hub up in place. Here I'm going ahead and putting some hub grease on the hub. This is to keep it from seizing up. I'm going to put it in place into the knuckle and feed the half shaft into it, lining up the teeth on the half shaft, and hand start some bolts to hold the hub in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my socket wrench and tighten all of the bolts down, in this case 3, and then I am going to tighten them down finally with a click wrench. Tighten it down to 104 foot-pounds, and then once you're done with that, go ahead and feed the ABS wire back through the knuckle, put the caliper back together, put the tire back on, tighten down the half shaft, and you are done. Go ahead and pump your brakes to tighten those back up, and enjoy your new hub bearing. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe so I can see you next time. Thanks. Bye.